Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word ledger. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He meticulously recorded all of his expenses in his ledger to keep track of his finances. A ledger is a book or computer file used to record financial transactions, typically organized by account or category for tracking and analysis. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.